Station is now the ultimate power in the universe. This station is now the ultimate power in the universe.
Nerli sunane.
What is that?
When aromangwe.
Waganya rikipidi dina.
Come on, get love. Get love. What is that, man? Ash, man. Yeah. Dog.
Dog, what's up, man?
I'm just happy that we made it through to December. Though.
Yeah,
hey,
no.
man, I can't do it. Like, hey, with this life, man.
After a long time.
Know. Hey,
Anything can happen.
Hey, dog. Anything can happen.
And I'm on home on a delivery dira.
Dog. Janagala no kakalo. Janwaro kakala.
Kakala. Kind of was it bekile half? Like literally like bekile half in a way.
Would we ever make it to gender?
No, definitely, dog. I still have more. Yeah, why did you so send? I will kind of make an hour. I was a putsu.
Imagine.
No, nothing.
Obaya boy.
Obaya. Choco syrup.
Obaya. Anyway, Pula! From the capital, the station is now the ultimate power in the universe, baby. Overview Radio, bring you Overview Podcast. AKA Komaji Ding, AKA Mass Country for the masses of the country. You know who I am, man. I'm with my boy Hippo. What's up, dog?
Nigga? It's your boy Flazer, the motherfucking DJ. The only DJ who can fucking rap, AKA Tshwanelang classe from Broadest, GC, Central Hotel, wa go tsena ka bogaboroni, wa go tsena hotel ka ko Maunka kwa re chaka le ba bangwe ba rona ba ba nna ba re wa yana le bona ka bona ba phala pe yana ke rona ba
Ria.
back to guests, man.
Like re pesa go bogala ga di ka go ithala bo beri hate ka kwa. Like wa bandleng o ithala bo gating mang bo seni fathebe ka go bandleng mara
go LOB
go LOB o bua yana o riana o tsena go tlokwe do like who's in tlokwen kana modipano o riana o ithala roni ra alibizi tlokwe who's there do
o December bon tata go jaanong go dirisiweng skausu ke rona ba.
There's always a ghost behind the lens, man.
Chief Ghost is the motherfucking name, man. And Central as well. From Overview is what I represent. We outside, but we're still in this building, man. I'm chilling in the background. Can I look Fela? Can I look Stokie? Can I look OMP? Can I look Abdila? Can I listen Sendo, man? We're outside, but we're still in the building, man. How you boys doing?
Hey, wait, dog. Like, speaking of fella.
Madiate!
Great deal.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Fellas Award is here, guys. Fellas Award is here, delivered by you guys. You know, yeah, as you can see, Yarna FM 8th Yarna FM Music Awards Producer of the Year. His name is none other than who?
Fella.
Yeah, man.
Hardest working.
Yeah, man, it's here, guys. It's here. As we promised you guys, once Hala winner, like, is going to bring it here. And it's here, guys. Thank you so much to you guys for voting for to Fella, you know. Like, we asked you to do the things, and then you guys did the things.
Facts, my nigga, facts.
Let me see it.
Dog.
And the journey's not yet done.
Yeah.
On to the next one, Rape. We're going to the Bomus.
Yeah, the Bomus,
right?
yeah.
We're going to the Bomus, and shout out to the overviewers, man. And to the overviewers again, please vote for Fela at the Bomus. SMS,
yeah, like
SMS to the mic.
Yo, guys,
SMS BP02 to the number 1777272.
Yeah, guys, let us complete it with with the braids, huh?
Yeah,
let us complete this year with the braids.
With the braids, dog.
Yeah, Bomu Award, and then like our headies. To vote for Fela, SMS BP02 to 17272.
Yeah,
SMS BP02 to 17272. Fella used to bring it, guys. Because I know what really died, really true. You know, yeah.
I know, I just hope that Kgosi bronze. We want gold, niggas. We want gold. Not the shiny star. We want gold. We want gold, not bronze. Huh? Haraba did the glitz. Haraba did the glitz. Into the mic. Khasa.
Yo, guys, yeah, shout out to...
What's your gear? I'm gonna get fella. I can say, "What I can do is open. You can some mic."
Yeah, man, guys. Yeah. Moi, c'est Mike, c'est roi.
Let's go.
Yeah, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah. Do like this means a lot.
Yeah, no.
But me when right, but fella, do like, are you happy with this? Do like with this award?
No, fella is happy though.
No, I get on like, I mean, like, I want to thank my mom and my dad. You know.
No, he did. Yeah,
guys,
no,
I
like,
did.
yeah.
I posted a
The
clip,
video,
yeah,
yeah.
like
Yeah.
it was like what 2 minutes.
Yeah.
I was thinking everyone, including the overviewer,
Yeah.
overview,
Yeah, no, you did.
like
No, I
everyone,
see.
Yeah, everyone.
everyone who voted, my family go palape,
Even your
everyone.
haters underground.
Hey, but I don't mind doing it again.
Yeah.
Hey, but this time around, I want to do like a special shout out to all the overviewers.
Yeah.
They've been behind me. They've been on my corner ever since day one. Ever since I
shout
got
out,
here.
shout out,
Ever
shout out.
since gang it one of my boards.
You know how
No,
it
definitely.
goes, man. You know how it goes.
Definitely.
Dude, like
Definitely.
I was actually surprised earlier on off air. Fella, like, this is your first award, right?
Yeah. This is my first Yama. First nomination, first Yama.
Award
Yeah.
or Yama?
But
No,
now,
no. Award, I started with the Bomu last year.
Oh,
Hey,
like
I want a
Emma
book.
do like even like
Last year
even
was my first
2022, like,
time.
it was your first award.
First time winning a producer award.
Hey, man.
And then this is
but
my
now I'm
first
not
Yama.
surprised.
Why so?
You know why?
Why?
The reason I'm saying I'm not surprised is because, you know, fella's been working hard over the past decade, and awarded since last year up until today. Yeah, this is the second time. And you take somebody like Drama Boy has never even gotten an award
At all.
at all. You know, Gustos Raisate Lahaila award, you know, just to name a few. But I'm not surprised more industry in Yaro.
Oh, yeah,
So
that way.
for a fella that's award since last year, you know, got the Bowman, you know, this is the second time at the at the Yamas.
Yeah.
So now for me is not a surprise.
Yeah.
You know, yeah.
So like what are you saying in a way? Like it's not a surprise because do like talent like hardly could do like this norm ya gore o kgona go nna blind o pusha span maros.
Thank you so much. Hela ka go iragetse ka ya ka drama, hela go iretse ya ka William, you know.
Yeah.
Hela, just to name a few. Wa bana ke sa bui dio hela. But you get
William
you get my
wana award
point.
around here.
William ona nominated to 5 again. He never got even one.
Huh?
Yeah.
Do like William has one award.
He even got nominated
boom.
five
Best
times.
what?
not- Yeah.
Best
He got
comedian.
nominated 5 times last year.
Huh? Through music.
And even last year, he got nominated 5 times at the Yamas. He never got not even a single.
Wait, William Hana award their social media. You lie, guys. What?
So that's why I'm saying I'm
Yeah.
not surprised.
Shit.
Now I want to what's inside. Haike batanti.
Hey, man, I do like this so surprising, dog. But anyway, DJs have been trending our girl Girly was trending the other time. Girly body, Girly body. Bro, dubula. Girly body. Harnana ko guys. Hey guys, offensive. You're like, "Mana musimola uriala."
Simolaure wa transition. Nako ke o
December,
nesio.
guys. What is that? Go to like Rokhana go benza R&B song, slow motion. From there, you know
Slow
V1 say,
motion. Pambile.
I wanna know.
Nako ke yone seo.
Ana ba ga le se.
Le tari tshwarela re lelekile nako.
Le tari tshwarela guys.
But
Masgelo yeah.
but it in a way it's disappointing, and at the same time for me I felt like I'm not disappointed, but because DJ, it takes how long, and how launch your career as a DJ, and I feel like you should launch it. How no, I'm good.
Yeah.
In the middle of people, and say really beat. Mostly here in BW, our DJs are just DJs. This jockeys, hell, and then that's it. They don't produce, they don't do shit.
They don't remix.
They don't remix. They don't do mixtapes. They don't do anything. No, I get Baba Bluiling. 95% of DJs here, they don't do that. It DJ. Ebe gongo jo ya simola ruitsa serious abata go Flazer because Flazer ke producer abare Flazer re pina rotlhe, and even now it's me and you.
But even that, dog, still even that,
it doesn't
like,
happen.
Yeah.
You get.
Like it's not happening.
It's not happening.
Yeah,
at
like
all.
most of like the popular DJs around here do like
they don't
have
do
music.
that. Yeah. Well, we tell hale ele baba ibile ba ileng gore ga ba itsewe. Like I'd give you DJ N10, DJ
Yeah, I do like this.
No, I
I produces the biggest DJs, like your Crispin DJs, your Latimi, your Mel D, your Govea,
your Lady K.
Nah, don't Lady K anangoma dog.
Lady K, you get what I'm trying to say?
I get you, boy.
Yeah, we tell the underground and they're producing so much hits for these guys, and these guys don't give credit to Banabone Ba. You get, and who to blind because at the end of the day, go staging, and they never get to credit Bana or no.
So do like they never say thanks to AK, thanks to DJ N10. Yeah,
you
so
get.
Yeah.
So in Rutu Sabotoku, so back to my point, Rutu Sabotoku, and I'm hurt and I'm disappointed for you guys, mainstream DJs. Please pull up your success, your game, producer music, at least the ite game bogolo ite game bogolo,
you know, put your name on some songs that
you get. Bo Kabza, Bo
like
Prince KB, Bo Maporisa, Bo just a whole lot of DJs out there in SA. They produce.
What's
they
your
do
take
stuff.
on the Lebgee issue though? Yeah, dude, like hey, I get like it was Lebgee from now Girly the other time.
Kind of Lebgee was the center of this whole conversation really before Girly did.
Hey, you know, like it was
Girly
Lebgee
things.
like the whole time. Now Girly came into the mix lane with that clip and all that. So, dude, like, what's your take on dude, like with all that?
Not that I hunger come on pause, you know. At the end of the day, if you love DJing, go do it.
Flazer is trying to be politically.
No, no. Listen.
No,
I
was just saying.
I've never met her. I've never met her. Nah.
You've never met Pala but like only 60 like
Hey.
It was
No, but
No, carry on, boy.
But with Lebgee, I've never met her. I've never talked to her. We've never sat down at the same table. We've never conversed. You get. But me hell, I'm disappointed whereby gote irats ngwa molena po bote no. Ke gona hara go jang di hot dog te. Ke gona hara go rotang te. Ke gona hara tambitsang di power nap te. But you get.
You do that kind of Tibadu, like you are never disappointed. Lad.
No, that is my boy. Not protect like.
No, Ape Sweezy is up these days. What are you
Yeah,
saying?
you can. Come on, dog.
No, do like they would say that with like
No,
like,
back then. Back then.
No,
Back
do
then.
like
That
that time he
was
was
something that
announced
was
for.
smashing,
I was like,
smash.
I had to game for that event. I do like he was
No,
announced.
ebile a sa go kanye ke a mosho.
Ya mosho pa ga bo motho.
Ga bo motho. E ba ile tsa ba mmusetsa.
No, I can't. But I couldn't like people went wilding on him. I guess.
Even Lebgee the same thing did happen ka kanye festive
Boy,
expansion.
what a Lebgee. Yes or no?
Ha ke mate. Yan why ke ha my honest opinion and even no kare ke a ha ke mate.
Because your honest opinion is unlike Flazer today. But
Hey.
anyway.
Nah. No guys. Nah, ha ke sa rate motho wa itse ra nka ka mole ke a go bolela I hate this bitch or I love this bitch. But with Lebgee, I like her.
Oh yeah,
I don't love her. Love is a big word. I like
Yeah,
her.
you like her.
Yeah, she's just fine. I've never heard her play,
Yeah.
not even once. But that's the reason I'm saying that it's fine. Let her play. Mo judging, it's fine. Na ke tata ke utlwana, na ke tata ke ha my honest opinion. Ha ke etsa go mo.
Yo, earlier on I was thinking what you know what?
Wena,
Eh?
sa it's cut.
And we're
Wena.
like, wait, I'm still
No, some perle mo go yo.
I'm still there, you know. Or like
I
let
was
us
think.
let's try to predict the like let's try to predict do like a certain lineup on April 2024, yeah? Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, do like let us try to predict like lineup. Quite like I show one like when like in April 2024. Because then when I do like most of guys do like in DJ in school now.
Yeah, a
You know,
lot.
Hey, like socialites and influencers and all that. So do like I was thinking of a lineup, like what okay, fine. DJ lineup, Lebgee, April Gates, Kariso Sento,
Ke di mo losiwa.
Kedimo Luciele Zozo, Kilabele Merano,
Ha tla leitu.
Girly the boy.
Gelu the body. Madioma Lusu Dance Hall.
Ska bara teacher.
Skomota teacher. Dude, like it's gonna be a DJ to
Hey,
like we predict
the lineup next
Yeah,
year.
2 more to go.
Yeah.
Yeah. Stuff for Momo.
Lwadi tla.
Let's idea ke mmone sento ka nna wela go.
Let's idea.
Yeah.
For
Go se go le kana nya. Yeah.
Let's idea. Yeah, man. Okay, yeah. Do like back to my take.
Yeah.
Since we batla mo kana kana. Listen, dog. For me,
Be honest.
yeah, do like I'm honest, ne. Good do like I understand people babaleng unhappy with everyone becoming a DJ now.
Yeah.
Do like when you're a music lover, do like it's quite disturbing. Why you pause out can do like what the fuck what the fuck is this? You get
Yeah,
it?
no, true. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
do like I understand like the frustrations and all that because can I do like most people are music lovers, dog. Could do
Yeah.
like babatlore DJ adlala gore mona ba. Like you get it. And happy. Could do like this thing like it didn't start with Lebgee, you know. Do like this thing started in South Africa. Do like when le sign Buzile and I bezadi pizza maloba, you get it.
Le banyana ba bedi ba le gato.
Hey, whenever
No.
hey.
Olo aga mapurisa gata malomo.
Hey, I wanna like Baba
Hey,
Ntandi
Baba Ntandi cleavage.
Those ones. Hey, do
How
like the
they-
light skinned girls.
Yeah, the light-skinned
Hey,
girls,
whenever
yeah.
okay, Baba born. So do like yeah, that's something so stronger. Like how kwano. I mean, people are already fed up with that.
Yeah.
So unfortunately, do like ba jump you get it.
Yeah.
Lebgee this and that. Mar highlight or Lebgee like is Lebgee and the likes and whoever wants to be a DJ do like they really do it for passion and all they do like they have a job. You have to prove everyone who's angry.
Correct,
now.
yeah, correct.
Right now.
No.
You get it.
I'm the
Even
hardest.
if anything, they should be happy what people are talking about them now.
Yeah.
No
Because-
facts.
Yeah,
Yeah,
because
no,
at the end
yeah.
of the day, do like yeah, attention,
Yeah.
So when they do like they have to perfect the craft. But when someone you know what, we got this.
And
Just
yeah.
like us, dog. You know, do
Yeah.
like when we pull through with a podcast, do like everyone was saying shit.
Yeah.
Right here we are, do like 114
Even still
episodes
today,
later.
dog, that's
You
still
get it?
talking
Yeah,
shit,
do like
yeah.
we proved everyone wrong. At the same time, as for other DJs, Baba exist and when you do like a circulating post, a certain DJ was mad, angry, and all that.
McCain.
Hey,
Kenzo.
No,
I
Big
say,
Souls.
hey,
Slim.
Hey.
Lebone do like I get where they're coming from.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, do like I was having this conversation with Ghost like the other day. Like at the end of the day, branding works, dog. Could do like do like we have dope DJs, so they exist.
Yeah.
Very dope.
Very.
But the branding sucks.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
The brand could do like the actual branding sucks. The online presence, it's low,
Yeah.
it sucks, you get
Yeah.
it? Hompiano do like everything. Could do like everything is just business these days.
Yeah.
Lebgee, Lebgee would
O tla
bring
tla ka batho ba le
like
kae,
a social
you know,
media
yeah,
followers.
yeah,
You
yeah,
get it?
no, true, yeah.
At the same time, I believe gore bara e tshwanetse go nna le responsibility gore at the same time re batla go ira madi. Re tshwanetse go nna le community like what responsibility gore re unearth new talent,
talent,
re
yeah,
place
yeah.
and all that.
True.
But still, like the existing DJs do, like they should work on their brands, their
Yeah.
social media presence.
And
Because all these other guys, when but the banana brand the social media presence, what they're working on now, DJ craft and all that.
And
You get it?
one thing saying I'm disappointed about these, old DJs, or not per se old,
Yeah, but
but
yeah.
but they've been there in the game for a very long time. Ke bone ba ba number hater. Instead of, bringing new talent
In.
to the game.
Or signing them
They-
or something.
or
Would
you
you like
get-
trying to work
they
with them
hate
so that when like they
so
can
much
monetize out of
hate
them?
and shit like that. And gona na ha ora motho a temoro re sendele snaps how. O go sendele snaps sa 2010. Wa bona me a rona una le
Hey,
TV sa le mo gaming.
you get
I
it.
was sendela mo re tla ke ile flyer o sendela how it's us DJ Sly. O mo re sendele snap. I was doing a flyer maloba with the DJ boss. I mara Sly. Re sendele snap. O sendela snap sa 2010.
And do
You
like
get.
and slice
Not the 2010.
You get. And it's very disappointing. And Lebgee and Hatsana Moransel Nep, you'd see proper
and do like Sly is a dope DJ.
and he's
Very
fucking
dope,
dope.
DJ. You get it?
Fucking dope.
Hey, but do like there's ways like the other.
Like you're saying,
Hey,
you might be skillful, very fucking dope. But the
appeal.
other things beyond your talent, the image, the brand, hela as an individual. Waban, the craftsmanship, hela gote hela ile packaging tse hela. Lo no go meta. Ha so ha o lena le skill o khona go letsa ka letsogo le 1 hour gora gore no ra go buka ngwa gote. No,
Yeah.
the other things tse leng gore they are involved. The image shit like that. Do it you get. So you can't just focus on one thing and then just drop other things and then we feel like I can blind. Well, not blind 2010. We call bana ntse ba go ikela mo gaming ba go hate.
Improve yourself. Could do like this goes to. Wanna do like I like to give examples ka Jay-Z, you get it. Could do like wa bona re Jay-Z kwa qadileng teng. Could do like even now. Could like wa bona re Jay-Z do like he was a rapper, do like even an executive at some point. Or sign them on a new talent about collaborate alone and we are relevant even more.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
What am I that?
Kwano you'd
other
never see
business
that.
ventures and all that. Gompieno, for instance, DJ Sly do like is the most popular DJ, I think. I get I get a plus radio, so listen.
You get.
And-
Kene ke be re
Hey,
itse
kene ka banana le DJ
Stable sa
Academy.
gagwe, you get.
You get it. Re itse gore like this person
Go ruta- a ruta
ke sa
bana.
logane sa ga DJ.
gore this is the way. This is the way.
You get
This
it.
is the way.
Hey.
But name one person or two DJs telling gore these are go slide. You gonna no. I'm proud. I'm doing this
But
because
guys,
of DJ Slide.
are we not gonna speak of these guys? Baba accreditan bona mashiri aba di DJ.
Baba?
Baba accreditan gore like
like
no,
as
these
in
guys.
like your YDJ,
Hey, your YDJ,
PK,
hey.
your
Yeah.
Because now
like
those are
these
the guys that I
schools.
have a problem with. Hey, ba eleng gore ba neela bona bana ba opportunity ya gore ba tsamaye gore batho ba re ba ready and shit.
No, for them, I think they do like when I like at the end of the day do like they're in business. Go like how
But-
does
but-
school
but-
ba go tsenya school, you get it. And then one thing that I've learned hella about art hella. Go like even DJing. Malobane ke bona I don't know gore ke mang. But do like a certain legendary DJ go like a bua ka di guidelines tsa teng gore like one the best DJ o tshwanetse go irang. Learn the craft. From there aba bua gore ha ona go nna blind as a DJ until on a resident DJ. Because our resident DJ do like that teaches you like a whole lot of things.
Yeah, the crowd.
Like the crowd.
You play there every day. You
Everyday
improve.
stuff like that.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
So how long when I'm ready, you are complete. Sharp. Hey. When now
Setting you to the to
you get it?
Manu.
Hey. So now as a student, get we patela resident somewhere. So that I learn.
But apart from that, you can still learn a lot of things. How local pay. Kinda like hey, yaka ubua. Wa skolo. You get taught, right? You go back home.
Yeah.
What do? You sit down. It's either you practice or it's either you sit down.
Exactly.
I get rabid, yeah. You'll never be in between. So,
And which I doubt these guys do.
thank you. Thank you. You get. So if you get home, practice even more, get more hours, practice more, your craft becomes improve you get unlike a DJ and then done the next day or the next week or no ke blind hey ke now mix you o record a virtual DJ and then about upload and then that's it the next day you'd never improve.
You know what the problem is? Ke Flazer, you get it? Ke le podcaster kana ke le social media whatsoever, I get it? Ke school sa DJ go no for school sharp, I get it? Now go find a resident place going on like what perfect your crafted thing. From there you post I get yo Flazer the motherfucking DJ, I'm a DJ now. Tla get some go CycadPalm Hospitality every Thursday. From there booking from a certain show
I'm after the money at the end of the day.
You get it?
Yeah.
Hey, so like I think what like that's the other you know, do like that's where the problem is.
But care about Chief Ghost. Chief Ghost who is supposed to but I feel like we ignored it.
Yeah.
Chief Ghost now what's our sekolo sone se si rutang bone banaba.
Yeah, like is it accredited?
Yes.
Monga sono o le ditse kae leng a letsa mang go iragala.
Oh, that way.
How good are they? Monga sono sekolo se.
Oh yeah, what for instance you mean like how we saying or like it would be understandable if DJs like rutabana go DJ because you're like it's been in the game for a while.
Because right now batho ba leng gore batho ba tshwere di sekolo ga se re kile re ba bona gope gongwe bana le gigi dingwe tse di rileng wa bona.
Yeah.
Hey. I'm just saying because I'm just saying from like where No, facts please.
Yeah.
So gape o rela gore amelo gana ba ruta bana sentle. Kana ya hang
like how to
stuff like that.
rutile bore she or he has to be here in 3 months or 2 months or 6 months. Me wotswa ha ale best.
Ka re go recommendela le mko re bone di alogane tsele wa bona.
Thank you.
36 points mo iteile go teng.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So how to have it go romela ko bareng ke gore I get. Yes, this is the bar that I'm working with or a club that I'm working with. Es kolo sa bu DJ. Ha ke go romela kwa. Amene did you pass the bar? Kana jang. Can you perform? Kana jang. Ebe ra o tsa ha o ba dubula.
Hello di body.
Ayo, but guys, it's already fucked up because you like even Skomota is a DJ now. Skomota is a DJ, dog.
But we saw
it's fucked up, dog.
Now he's in school for DJing now. Like we've seen.
No, matter before us, girl, like.
No, nah.
Yo, guys, like it's already fucked up, dog. You know, Marnadu, like one thing that I would, Yeah, it still comes down to issue. One thing that I would advise. One thing that I would advise people, like the guys who are already in the game. Listen, I understand, Lynn. Ne? Whenever you wanna, could do like this is something that I understand. Whenever you wanna someone, I did a podcast in a shitty way. Do like I cringe. You get it?
I know I cringe.
Hey, I cringe. But at the end of the day, do like I cringe because do like it's something that I do and I'm very passionate about.
Yeah, no, facts. True.
You get it's not like I hate on them and all that or whatsoever. You get it? And if there are competition at the end of the day, I have to accept or do like dog. There's competition.
Yeah.
Like I don't have to hate on them or anything. Now I just have to keep on doing my craft, doing the art that you always do all the times and all that. You get it?
Yeah.
Hey, remember what like ever since nothing, how many podcasts came through dingwe they were shitty, so you get.
Yeah.
But now like we remain, or you know what, do like as long as now we remain ourselves, we're going to keep going and all that.
Yeah.
So the same thing applies to the DJs that existing in the game right now. I understand where they're coming from.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, guys, this is competition. You guys have to deal with it. The worst thing that you can ever make as a DJ is to complain.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
leave the complaining to people like us.
Yeah.
And the fans and all that.
Eish,
When I
dog.
do like just fix whatever that you don't have and focus on the job.
Yeah.
You get it? To the new guys, whenever from the social media sensationals, bo Lebgee, bo Girly, bo Mang, you guys have the social media right.
Yeah.
Now focus on the craft.
Mostly.
Hey, you know, mold your
100,
craft. Hey, better
Because
craft.
image-wise, if I
Hey,
take Girly, if I take Lebgee, image-wise, the
They're
brand,
good.
They're perfect.
you
they're
get
nice.
it. Hey, so
now,
now
focus on the
is the
craftsmanship.
art. You get it. Hey, like now they have to
Make
perfect
sure
the art.
gore
You
ne
know,
yang.
they have to be residents for at least a year.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
They're like, I saw this. Some can't take a DJ man, never. Do that, you have to be a resident for at least a year. You know,
But at
you
the
would
same time-
because how resident, man, like, wow, fosega gore we itse go tshameka di genre tsotlhe.
Yeah.
Wa go tlhaloganya crowd. Gore mana like wa go tlhaloganya.
Yeah.
So e khona gore ha o tsena na go go shong we tlhaela gore like someone no o tsena before and do like when I tshameka your kind of set like o khona go change
Change,
it's a fast.
go to hip hop.
Hey, you get-
some hip hop. You can go to amapiano. You know, be versatile at the end of the day.
Plus, le dipina tsa gago, le
Hey,
di-remix tsa
So it
gago.
goes
get
back
it?
to
Yeah.
Kanye and Eribu, or as DJs, learn to have your own fucking songs. You get?
Yeah.
Because come so out some cassette time from A to P. Cassette ka kwana nyane kana nyana. But if I play my own songs, you can't tell me shit. I have it. They're my own songs. I can play them however.
Speaking
I
of that, man, I do like like performance Gomz'Dah in the morning. Man, I do like 1 hour set. Late all Tamikile all his songs. Man, all his songs.
Oh, 1 hour mnyane. Hey, 4 hours.
Dog. Man, all his songs, dog. Dog. Still on DJs, like, guys, Kelvin Momo dropped something. Kelvin Momo dropped something. Yeah, you know, yeah, I saw like the cover art yet and do like it was circulating. And when I like on the socials, do like my WhatsApp contacts as
English
well.
media, mwana.
Guys, do like, is Kelvin Momo that big?
No, he is, though.
Like, is he that big?
I feel like, you know what?
Yeah.
Nako tse dingwe ha bana batho ba go praise ipotsa gore why. You get?
Wait.
Wanna learn.
Kelvin Momo ke product ya Gomz'Dah.
Hey, yeah.
Is it? Okay.
You
When
are sure.
I was Momo, I think
Yeah.
he has a similar following. Yes, when I love Aries, yeah. He has a little cult
Thank
following.
you.
there.
Yes.
Hey.
Yeah.
I wanted to go there.
definitely.
I wanted
Yeah.
to go there. Kelvin, Corona le group ya gago. O na le
Yeah.
his like bo that guy wa DJ wa
Hey,
Simi,
Reese,
ga
like
tama-
you said. Eh,
Wakasima.
wa Simi. Who went to barbecue and fam dog?
Sun L musician.
Sun L.
Hey.
Yeah. Sun L. Yeah, true.
You get?
Maybe I was
Yeah.
thinking something so weird too, maybe.
Yeah.
You get ona le bale ba gagwe, you get. But at the same time, he's big. But I don't want to say underrated, but he's
No,
big.
dude, like
but-
he's not
oh,
underrated though.
Oh, hey, man, that guy is big.
Good do like for
He's
me.
big.
Good do like for me. Yeah.
Yeah.
I can tell that he's dope, and he has following and all that.
Yeah.
Good man, I do like I've never imagined or do like whenever I drop a something when like what kind of excitement take and I can do like a cross.
Because people know.
No, but he's
Get it.
been with all these albums,
Yeah.
though.
Yeah, do like including like the previous one
Yeah.
as well.
Yeah.
Huh?
That
Previous
guy is
two.
big. He is very big. Go to hell. I feel like what hey, I get bani ba mo compare le Gomz'Dah. Ba bua gore Gomz'Dah kwa bo Shebeshxt.
It's almost over.
Oh, but Chama again.
and then Kelvin ke kopa ha le bua le ko mic.
Rifi leader. Rifi.
Rifi.
Yeah, Tswelele.
Like there was Kanye go ba compare wa gote Kelvin le Gomz'Dah o direla strata, and then Kelvin o direla, you know, the what do you call it? How can I put it?
Like
The
the private
affluent.
school, yeah.
you get. But me hell at the end of the day, right? Or Kabza is a beast, imagine.
No, facts.
Kabza
No,
is a
definitely.
beast.
Hey, Rape I get a Kabza do like, and like he can do everything.
Everything.
Hey, like,
yeah,
like
you
we fit
get.
on. We do like we can meet go
Kwae
mape, go mape, and then like
Go
about go
mape.
mape. Well, we go mape, you know, and then I go mape tunta, and then about. Haswa mapa ba phakala na thuntsha.
Ah, so go pack some brothers.
Hey, my brother stands out too. You get it, yeah. But like that's still dope at the end of the day.
Go
Hey.
happen.
You get it. Hey. And yeah, guys, like speaking of that, ne, could do like I'd like us to have a conversation about blow. Blow. You know,
Yeah.
ka blow.
No, la magala senya ba Simon.
Ke a ba tloetse mona go spatela.
It's in your marumo.
Ka blow. Ka blow, wa bona. Gore blow sharp. Gore blow ke yone e leng gore o kgona go tswa ha o ba ko mape o bets. Batho ba go itse. Wa bo bono batho ba go itse. Wa gantsi batho ba go itse. Wa tsa bo batho ba go itse. Like o bontla o tsana go phakalana batho ba go itse. And then if we want this other one ya mo like ya mo Joburg hela kana like ya mo phakalane hela.
Yeah, give city.
Eh, mara ha motho ha ya go somewhere ha itse with this and that. Between the two, blow ke fin sharp. And as a creative or as an artist, like o tshwanetse go strivela blow e fin. Kore like o ka
In between.
like in between.
Yeah.
Okay.
I feel like that's the perfect blow.
Like in between like
The burps and the trench.
or like you mean like doing both.
Doing both.
Uh-huh.
Because if you'd never know gore wa go bukiwa kae at the end of the day. O kgona go tswa go botare ko gantsi. You get. And you have to be sure that when you get to Hansi, you'd fuck up the crowd. And they'd love you.
Yeah.
Tshwanetse gore ha ke tswa e be ke a phaka line, I'd fuck up the crowd and they'd still fucking love me. And then there are the DJs whereby, or the artists whereby they're just in BW and you take them to parks, that fuck up parks.
Yeah.
That fuck up Gino, that fuck up Gap City.
Yeah.
You get. But if you take them to
Mape.
Yeah.
And then there are those DJs and artists whereby you take them to Mape or wherever at outskirts.
Yeah.
And then you take them to Ayoba or Pakalani or Rhapsody, and then who's this?
Because dude, like I think
that's
yeah.
why I get it. You have to keep it in between.
I think that dude
get.
like the
For
reason
you to make it out here in BW, keep it in between.
Dude, like have you realized how like most of artists around here and like artists I get like it's a general word.
Yeah.
Around here when like they just overrate themselves.
Yeah, no, they do.
You get it? Yeah. Do like for instance, like someone blows up in Gaps and then do like he thinks like it's the biggest shit.
Example.
This motherfucker is really on the spot.
Jaka.
No way.
For example,
hey.
Yaga DJ Gavos. Take DJ Gavos.
Hey.
Umuisa out.
No, definitely. Hey.
Gavos would make
like
so fucking
well.
money compared to DJ Mutisa mo Gepse wa Gepse
scratch hey
Yaga scratch
compared to DJ Scratch
you get kana kwena music or you get
yeah.
If you take DJ Gavos there kobo Khanti kobo Kang kobo Gavos would bring more bread than anyone
definitely.
And if you take DJ Gavos obo muisa ko Rhapsody and obuisa Baniko kana wisa ko in music ko they're going to be bigger than DJ Gavos.
Where is Bani now, dog? Do like tell me because okay now, like as for Bani, ne, I'm a little bit confused because like social media way ne. But I wonder what like other places like is he there as well?
Nah, he's not there.
Like other places.
Yeah, no, he's not there.
Is it?
He'd go to places like your Francistown, your Maulu, your Gapsy.
So wait, like go Palape like they know DJ Bani.
Yeah.
Go get they know DJ Bani. Go Mount they know DJ Bani.
But if you go to like places tending Kidibu, I'm not talking about skill.
Yeah.
No, I'm not talking about skill. I'm talking about Kotenyanako. They know DJ gave us more than DJ back. You get. And I will pause. I will pause. Because on na kana we na wa itse rona batho ba ileng gore ba go itse gore no nyawo ke Joey. E be gona la ileng gore le nna ha ke tsana go nyawo ke Flazer. You get. Ibile a go pause. Ibile ha se ganya hate or anything. Yeah.
Shout out to FME DJs for appealing everywhere. Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I think when you like you get but appeal everywhere.
Those ones I'm not sure about because I've seen a couple of tweets and posts circulating around people saying they don't really vibe with them like that.
Yeah, no,
I think FME, they are there, but they are not really guy voice like. They're not really Gouveia like.
Yeah.
They're not really that like Emi like. You feel me?
Your coochie like, your bunny like.
Okay. Yeah, I get it.
Maybe say, but the crowd wouldn't feel them like that compared to Guy Vo's Sabaleza di Peanuts. Guy Vo's would style the crowd.
Yeah, but dubula, do like Ariana on stage.
Exactly. That's what it is. But FME would come through because shaky and yeah, some people might vibe, but some people will just say they carry that name with them especially mo dikgaolong.
And one other thing say no again like advice about whether you're a DJ or an artist or an MC. One thing.
The other day I was telling Gomz'Dah that we need to like every 2 years whenever I shoot just so that people would see what's going on behind.
One thing that I always advise MCs, DJs, artists, there's something that we call stage presence. My nigga, you can be the fucking dopest DJ or an artist or an MC. But if you don't have stage presence, my guy, you just like everyone. Stage presence, it's one of the most important things a person should have.
Yeah. They can learn it from V and Franco.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Have you right to review the bats and about performance settings in young? Or the Babes Peanuts till I bet
yeah, you know, someone has an appenduga before
you get Lena Babes about Tembola, Ariana, we know V's stage performance, but the energy, the presence, what he brings.
Yeah.
In no car honch. Means reads you get.
Yeah.
So okay, look up. Ho face TV malaita ka lebo mmebaka. Stage presence. Make sure you
guys. And then do like still on DJs dog. Man, do you know DJ Stokie?
Yeah.
Hey man, like that guy man like he's on some dope music shit, huh?
You don't know.
Dog.
I think Lena is also a product of Gomz'Dah.
For real.
And then no, but no carry Kenaba. Okare Kenaba since Mojimi.
Yeah, his debut album.
Stokie Okare Kenaba since Gomz'Dah
Mojimi. He's older.
Yeah.
They speak of how he's like a forefather of piano music.
Yes.
For real.
Yeah. Like he used to be those. He used to do those white parties. Abitone malaita piano. Back then, who is on the popular like now?
People in Soweto will tell you.
Yeah, or
he's part of
the guy.
The movement. Yeah.
For real.
Yeah.
Guys, like to be honest, dude, like I'm not good with this DJ thing and all that. Dude, like I'm new on DJ Stokie. And when I was just amazed there, I wanted to listen to the
Stokie Superman.
Hey, Stokie Superman.
For real.
Kasi hero.
He's a Kasi hero, that guy.
Oh, dude, like he's a Kasi hero.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Like you know,
Stokie's a big guy. Yeah, or catch up.
Dog. You want to catch up, dog.
Oza. Ah. Dilo ke ja rula le re.
Alright. Let's move on, man.
Must made
Man, Shebeshkt is fully booked for the whole of December, as well as Skomota. Yeah, fully booked for the whole of December.
Yeah, no,
Skomota is a gig guy, Dylan.
Fully booked,
dog. Can I steady 2 shows?
fully booked. No date available. And
Ke
like
bona bo
apparently,
Master KG bona. No, ke available ka dikana. Hey, la Skomota le Shebeshक्त da fully
Skomota
booked.
is fully booked. And do like, yeah, do like a certain promoter, do like he was telling me the other day, Antar, Shebeshkt till gaps is 100K. Pula.
But
Yeah,
you remember when I told you guys what we should bring Shebe?
Dog, I remember.
You remember.
Hey, man, I thought of that.
You
that
remember
time.
when I told you
Ah, dog,
guys?
you were right, man, nigga.
You remember when
you
I
were
told
right,
you?
dog. You were right.
Wa go try.
I know, man. I do like, hey, man. Hey,
Even before
dog.
podcast and chill.
No, ke
Ah,
re ke
hey,
ba
like,
wa
he
go
did tell
try.
me. Eh?
Ka re wa go try ka
Ah,
ke.
fuck them, dog. Yeah, but anyway, dog. Fully booked December. Till Gabrona at 100K. Skomota, fully booked.
And how round off what the 40,000 per gig? Little gigs are already calculated. It's close to 2.4 million. Yeah.
But do like, what do you think of Skomota, dog? Because do like I
No, for Shebeshkt I understand. For
Skomota
Shebeshkt I understand. He's an artist. He can go there, do music, rap. Can't they? Shebeshkt ke rapper. Like you do. Category ya di rapper kana ya. Yeah.
do like I still haven't to listen.
Chief Ghost.
Do like I still haven't listened to Shebeshkt do like till this day.
Fella.
I do like I don't know. Fella, yo, fella says he doesn't care.
Fella e ra re bua matakala re ka bua dilo tse.
yo guys, fella like more. You guys don't know. Get the mic, fella.
Fella za mine.
you know, yeah.
Hey,
you know,
for Shebeshkt I understand. Wawan. So for Skomota I don't understand. For Shebeshkt I understand because he has music, Yeah, no khanya mine kere. Nere motsinya haka as a rapper or
vendor rapper. Yeah, Limpopo rapper.
Limpopo
rapper.
So at the end of the day he's a rapper.
I don't know. To be honest, dog, Lena, I don't know why yet. Like I still haven't to his I still haven't got to listen to his music. I don't know why. I mean, I'm that type of guy who would tune into Limpopo stuff and all that, Booking Monada, Master KG, Simona, Makazi, I was in tune with all that. Like, I don't know why. And I happen when everyone around me, dog. I'm even when I do you never expected that. Bakaretsa Shebeshkt, they do and they like him. Do what text dog when I do they like.
Kana like to
Shebeshkt
mo
and all
le
that.
no re tsa Shebeshkt ma sepa blind. Na re tsana mo koding ka itiman. Kana ke dancer bit ke dancer radio ke a ba ko morago.
One time.
Because I can't listen to that. Don't come on.
Do you are fucking
Imagine.
intelligent.
Me pull I'm fucking intelligent, dog.
Hey, fella,
Peka,
jampile go mara.
Hey, fellow jampile, man.
Yo, guys, remember that this episode is brought to you by Kanako, your best and most reliable industrial and commercial equipment store and supplier. Check them out on the socials, guys. Special say December, on December, January, and all that. And then next week we'll be announcing it on the podcast. This episode is it's coming from CycadPalm Hospitality, man. You know how it goes, man. The other day, in the normal conversation, we just wish for each and every city around Sadek, Ngabe nala Cycad, Joburg Cycad, Harare Cycad.
Kora haratso haraka every is safe.
Hey, just so that we know that everywhere we go is safe.
Yeah, but we start small, we grow big.
Fitness partners, Jack's Gym, all day, every day. The hair is Gomz'Dah Barber, and
KG the Barber.
Yeah. Chichi the Barber.
Chichi the Barber.
What else is there, man?
Do you feel like Shebeshekt right now is bigger than MT? Because I saw a video on Facebook whereby he got on stage and then MT Abakubi, hey, Mr. Man, Shebeshekt what's another. You saw the video?
No,
it was
do you like-
trending last.
Yeah, no, I saw.
I
it.
do
I
like-
saw. it.
I only saw
And I saw
Apologia Rasa.
and I saw another video 24 hours later whereby Dr. Malinga was performing eba mokoba mo stage bare re kopa go rotso mo stage na re batla go bona Shebeshekt. Dr. Malinga was performing his latest song with Shebeshekt. So pata Shebeshekt irletsena Shebeshekt was not there. Eba mara bara ha ile gore ha ona le Shebeshekt re kopa go rotso mo stage, and then the crowd was telling him, you know what, fuck you, get out of the stage, yeah, boo, boo. Narabata Shebeshekt. So going back to my saying, do you feel like,
you wanna apologize? He was just modest about it, talking about, you know, like lemora. Ako rating MT or why?
Was he there?
Yeah.
Was he there?
Yeah.
Because like I've seen the apology. Like I have an
no, Shebeshekt na almost empty na la hamara gonyana hela.
Oh, but I don't get by MT. Hey,
He's not a hustler no anymore.
hey man, I do like I have do like mad love for MT dog. No, Mare, like I think that ya blue. I get like you know how crowded.
Yeah, no, true.
Very
true.
much impatient. And all
Yeah,
that, you
no,
know,
true.
to see-
Gore emetse se mamang.
What's your take on the Rankamo issue and do like the whole? Yeah, do like the whole attack thing and all that.
Yeah. Another Netflix movie coming through.
Documentary. Docu-series.
Docu-series.
But okay, fine, guys. Do like okay, like I didn't serious, ne? Okay, like all of us, ne? Rata Ranka, mager. Because of his character, again. Like the other MPs that we love and enjoy to see them because of character rabo, ne? And do like you actually push us or like or like for us to take them to parliament.
Yeah.
You get it?
Yeah.
So do like this goes back to what I always ask all the times. Are we going to vote people because we like them, because of their funny and all that kind of? Do you think that we need serious parliament,
So that
serious
they can
people at parliament?
change everything,
Hey.
the way we live, the way we, survive, shit like that.
Yeah.
Like that. Ke go bolela nnete o le tsalang. Batswana will always vote the funny characters. People who are just trending.
Yeah.
People who are just, your mediocre shit. You get. Will never
I'm telling
be
you
serious.
this now, ne? If Oscar were a teacher, I can manage to go mo lepol.
Ra go votela ska ba
Ra
teacher.
Oscar road.
Because of the
All
character.
of us. Di basi di a go tlala re no.
You get.
A re mo lepol.
And
Jeez.
I'm telling you, if Oscar Bor, for example, like Abu,
Hey.
Oscar Bor ka emela.
Hey, not like Ramanyatsa or
Hey.
anything.
Ha mongwe who has much power or money, aka ema ka ha morago hela ga Oscar Bor teacher, aba injecta madi. Trust me, we're going to vote Oscar Bor teacher because he's going to come up with what we want to hear. You get. Gore no, ke a go letsisetsa metsi, ke a go tsenya motakase ha go ke ona motakase o tla tholong go kgaoga mo molepolle. You get those funny things ha tswa ha ba nna character at the same time. Pushing those two things at the same time. You get.
Yeah.
And we're going to vote for Oscar Bor teacher. I'm telling you. That's how rona re le Batswana. Motho ke o gona go itatola on national TV. Mme hela ha re bitsa ra tsamaya.
Ratsamaya.
And ra
Ratsamaya ke re poe ka 2024.
no, ke go bula member wa di membership ya BDT. Ke nna yo. Monwana le lela.
Apateki.
Le bana ba ro.
Meno le marini.
Meno le marinini poe.
Mono le ma. Yeah, that's why.
Do you think that that story saga the speaker Rankamo Pono Moatlhodi, was it is it fiction kana
Gape le ene le wa gona go. Gape ene le ene hela.
le
Ena tota ke eno ska bora tota. Hey, big time.
Yeah. What do you think? Because dude, like I
Hey,
was.
go to my police at 60. Hey, what?
Yeah.
Come on, dog.
Uh,
A go re mapodisi mona ga go kgona go letsa mana ke re nkgonne ke o bolwa ke motho ka tipa mo tlhasetseo e be go ta gona koloi wena bo mapodisi go ta le 16 less than 30 minutes. Oh, come on, dog.
but hey, dude, like we should bring him to the pod, eh?
Yeah, no, we should. Definitely.
Yeah.
It's coming.
Yeah.
Le camera o mmolelo ranka mo.
Yo, Rankam, Rankam, you should come to the pod. I'd like to see Nkamu though, eh?
Mankam should come to the pod.
No, Mankam.
Hey.
Everybody, like the whole
Two
fam.
sides.
The whole fam.
The whole fam.
But do like what's your take on on him being invited to BTV News or that whole story like about
But I feel like it wasn't.
Yeah, I know, dude, like because dude, like I felt like the same way too. I was like, dude, like there's some relaxed
You get.
thing, dude, like that doesn't need BT. Yes, dude, like it's trending, we like it, everyone likes
Leave
Rankama
those
and all
shit
that.
to us,
You
dog.
get it, yeah. BTV News is for serious stuff.
You
Tell
get
us what rata wana mele mo go dipatela
You
kana
get.
gate go iragala
Eh.
polio e tsile bana ba kentiwa stuff
Dikgomo
like
tse e leng
that.
gore tswa go dira ka madi a
Eh,
mantsi ntse
go
gape di a
iragalang ka
swa, di
tsona.
bue ka tsone.
Stuff like that.
You get.
You get it. Do like they should communicate like things that are very much important.
Yeah. O ba o bua ka stories tsa gore come on, dog. Nah,
Dude,
nah,
gotta go in.
Pizza
I don't like
hell.
on BTV News, dog.
Hey,
Bruh.
Dog,
down
you don't.
BT. Then the following day, untshitse plasteranya nele, he's fine. And he was fine.
You can what the fuck is going
Less
on.
than 24 hours, dog. He was fine. Like proper.
Hey, Botswana
proper,
wa
proper.
depress agents. So
Uh-huh.
Botswana is like we don't know what it.
And I feel like sometimes
You get it? No, true, dog.
I mean, how could you go on national fucking television and narrate a story like that as a deputy speaker, though?
Like that. And do like looking at everything that is going on in the country, could you like that spot should have been reserved for something serious. You get it?
Kind of over episode 1 overview.
You get it?
At least.
And I don't know why. When,
Felare.
like, I gave him an example, like off camera, about this conversation. Like, you will never see a prime minister in the UK or in New Zealand or in Australia
Wherever.
coming to national television and start talking of such petty issues.
This one got the face. Never, dog.
It's like we don't know the air ticket of just doing things, of just saying things. Dog.
No, really,
No, most of do like now I think is what you once talked about. FOMO, fear, I think fear of missing out. Stuff like that. You get it?
Yeah, no, can't tell you
Hey.
they are not important.
You get it?
You know, whatever that you're trying to push, or at least the content. Can't tell you we don't need them. You get
And do like we are not in anyhow saying that we have a problem with him, Rankamo.
But we have the problem with the story.
Spice.
It's a spice. Yeah, you get.
How to get spice? How to get
7 guns.
Chili bias.
7 guns.
It's my meat. But anyway, Chief Ghost,
What up, buddy?
there was a word that you mentioned earlier on off camera.
Oh yeah,
That
the
you
word
wanted-
the word of the year.
The word of
You know,
yeah.
Oxford Molovines is a statement. The word of this year is Riz.
What's that?
Riz is from
RIZZ.
ARIZZ. I think they got the word from charisma. So Riz just means the ability to charm a woman.
Riz is charisma.
Riz is charisma.
Oh.
Go posha ka Setswana.
Oh, so
Kuitsamaye.
Go itsamaya.
oh, okay.
So Flazer ona le Riz ra.
I doubt. Nah.
Charisma.
Nah.
I do like. What
Kana
you
kore-
mean, though?
kore-
I do
kore-
like- you do have
I feel like
charisma.
we'll push out the different stages. So, mo tanga di line yo posha ngwana and then ngwana bata. Now I just come to you and then just talk, normal coffee. I feel like no, listen. I feel like
How
coming
is
to
you receive punchline among one name? How na punchline go to punchline aba?
nah.
Hey, man, gona le ngwana.
Nah, I don't wanna lie.
Kefe.
Aish, man, ke lebetse go rare. Kana re do like go simolla o tsena ngwana do like on the DM so mora re. Aish, man, I forgot, dog.
Wow, boy.
Hey, baby, you look
Wait.
like trash. Can I take you out?
Hey, man, that's a killer one, man. Fuck. Shit.
Gotta give him one what?
Fuck, dog. Wait, goes do like where do like your three like strongest lines? Do like I think it's also more so.
Hey,
Do
man,
like
I
like what you wanna do like on the DM?
ke di lebetse le nna mara ke le ka utlwe ngwana ne ba re nna bana ke lebetse
Come on, dog.
Hey, no, baby, you like trash. I like to take you out.
Yeah, you look like trash, baby. Can I take you out?
Dog,
Hey,
it's
that shit
good.
was heavy though. You look like trash. I wanna take you out.
Hey, man, hey, dog, line of the century, dog.
But
The only bets in the
Hey man, I get the lebetse.
come on, guy. You wabona now wa utlwa fela hore now. Wa bona fela hore now is coming back to my point, whereby I feel like now for me, to be honest, I don't have pickup lines. You get? I just come to a lady and then I just make her feel comfortable, make her feel good, make her feel appreciated.
But dog, like, have you
But
ever?
I get the punchline like
No, but sometimes you need to come through. Go finya, I get it.
Yeah,
like
no.
how you put in that line.
no true. Yeah. I go on it to Can I learn ho?
But dog, like, have you ever won? Go do like, have you ever like begged a chick? Go do like, check and like, approach and then do like you charm her up and then I would do me like what hello be it.
Yeah. But make it some chamika the pickup line, like the punchline, like Chief goes tabu or like you are saying, no, you look, can I take you out? You look like I've never used those kind of, pickup lines.
Go do like, have you ever approached a chick and go like any as interested initially? Like,
Kana gore mathata ke re- Mathata kore, how I approach a cherry, you'll never know whether she's interested or not. It comes from you as an individual. She looks fine. She looks cute. Let me approach her. And then your approach matters the most. That's what I get. Now I approach her. One, I make her feel comfortable.
Flazer the motherfucking DJ.
No, it's easy, dog. You just
How
make
so?
her feel comfortable. Like Oscar,
Fella, take the mic.
I can tell you this.
you get.
I've never been the guy with my chair, to be
The
honest.
gaffer. Let's go. The gaffer. Yeah, fella.
It started like a couple of years ago. I've
Yeah.
always been
Chief goes
slow
to
when it
work
comes
and
to
you're
my
like,
chair.
Yeah.
But the thing is, Flazer.
Hey.
Now with me, what has worked for me when it comes to who in a chair over has always been to talk about the general to ease her into the whole
Like what,
thing.
the weather?
No.
What?
Just life here. What are you doing in life? What do you want? Like, what are you passionate about? Stuff like that. It has always worked for me.
Thank you. The compliment.
Obana, the pickup line, like
Yeah.
Flazer and
You
the
get.
ghost.
Hey.
I think those are the things saying or maybe you can get the icebreaker.
Hey, yeah, no.
Yeah.
Hey, get the icebreaker.
100%.
Okay, no. When I'm comfortable, oh no, this guy on a sense of humor, he's hilarious.
You get.
And then from there, now you can talk about doing an
You get.
Waban. And then, like I'm telling you, in my experience, what Flazer is saying, it has worked for me. And then, issue ya known to say, you know what, this is how I feel about you, blah, 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 blah. But also establish it, say,
The ground.
You understand?
The basic things.
Yeah.
I know one of the way you talk, the way you think, and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dog, I had this friend in do like university. Do like his name was D-Meg. Like it's D-Meg. Like told do like he was dope at breaking the ice.
Yeah.
Could do like man, like he was very great at breaking the ice.
Yeah.
The problem was when like he went in after breaking the ice.
Yeah.
You get it.
Yeah.
You get.
Yeah.
So do like if you have him do like as your wingman, man, do like
Ojie.
yeah, I know do I win. I get no break ice.
Hey.
From there, man, yo, dog, keep quiet. do
Now it's my turn
hey,
now.
you get it. Like now it's my turn. Mardu like how can I overexcited?
Kuilela.
Paprika is a rubber. Yeah.
You get.
And
You
money,
get.
and money. And money.
And the money.
And money, yes.
And the money.
And the
Before,
money.
You know, when
Are, hey, yeah.
You
yeah,
get.
hey.
it's fine.
Yeah. Why the fuck is Lady Unknown, dog? I do like, why the fuck is Lady Unknown, dog?
She's at work, dog. She's at work. She couldn't
works?
make it through. Yeah.
Where?
No, I can't say.
Why not, dog?
Nah, it's
Dog, go
confidential.
KBL.
KBL is not confidential.
Alright, let's wrap it up, my G.
Yeah. Yeah. As we wrap it out,
Oscar Pistorius.
yeah.
Oscar Pistorius Karasalamigati is coming out.
Yeah. In
2024.
Yeah.
January.
Yeah.
And gives her really tronkongyam because could never make it there, dog. Doesn't have legs.
Yeah, man. I think I do. I've heard Warata do like he was at a different prison.
Yeah, no. I know.
Now let's undo Mike. Can't already talk.
Yo, dog, yeah. As we close up, dog, who's your best like DJ in bot? Currently, yeah, like at this moment.
Currently,
Yeah, like at this moment.
the biggest DJ that I love right now, at the moment,
Yeah, your best.
it's well,
We knew you were lying.
No. I've been following him for quite some time now. He's been there. He's from Platonic.
What's that now?
No,
Mr. O.
no. DJ Quest.
Oh, DJ
DJ
Quest.
Quest.
Do you like the hip hop
DJ
DJ?
Quest. Yeah, DJ Quest. That's my favorite right now at the moment.
Oh, like still hip hop.
Yeah.
Do you like you still held on
Yeah.
hip hop?
Ken arutileng lat.
DJ Quest.
Yeah, Ken latuto call Quest.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Like who's your best or favorite DJ in South Africa?
Right now. I don't have right now.
You don't have right now.
I don't. I'd be lying to you if I'd say I have. Nah, right now I don't have.
Goes like who's your best or favorite? Yeah, do like I'm making it broad like that. Best or favorite DJ in South Africa?
Uncle Waffles.
Uncle
Right now.
Waffles. Right
And
now.
then
Why?
here in BW.
BW.
Yeah.
Shout out Lebgee.
Nigga wants to put some dick. How about you?
For me in BW is
Yeah.
we're wrapping up. Yeah, we're wrapping up. Anyway, guys, we have to wrap up. Yeah, but before for me in BW, Frostbite.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because of the R&B and the soul and all that. You know.
Shout out to Frostbite, my nigga.
Yeah. In
Frost
SA,
can eat a dick,
currently is
nigga.
DJ Stokie, dog.
And then we go to artists and then we wrap it up.
Yeah.
Your favorite artist right now?
In
At the
Botswana.
moment, not all your all time. At the moment. In SA and in BW.
At the moment in Botswana is it's Ozzy.
Ozzy?
Yeah.
And then in SA?
I don't like in SA is still mega though.
Mega.
Yeah.
You?
It's gonna be in SDC or Kelvin, Momo, and SA, and here and locally, it has to be one take. Yeah.
One take.
Hey,
Mohokgware. Like, hey,
No, I-
Naruto Mohokgware.
No, I get a more.
Are it closing?
Are it closing, Mohokgware?
Fellas, most favorite artist in Botswana and South
Right
Africa.
now,
and
currently,
in
right now.
America.
Yeah, to
Yeah.
some mic.
Hey, fella, who's your most favorite artist in Botswana currently?
Hey, man.
Yeah, say one.
Name one.
Yeah, like among the many. Yeah, top one.
Your
Or kind
top
of like the
zero.
one that comes to your mind. Come on, now.
Man.
Uti,
Hey,
hello
one.
one. I know that Uti.
Papan.
One.
Let me go for Oz.
For
I'll go
Oz.
for Oz, yeah. Oz
Yeah,
is my
okay.
favorite here. And
SA?
in South Africa.
Yeah, like who's your like your
I'm on
favorite
South Africa. I
artist
don't
in
think
South
there will
Africa?
ever be my favorite artist other than AKA Len.
For real?
Yeah, never.
No, like are you a Megacy?
Always been.
I never knew though.
Always.
Okay. Yeah, like in the States?
States.
Current, right now,
Current.
not
Right
all
now.
time.
Ish. Dog, like I'm listening to a lot of people. Wait. Let me say right now, let me just say, what states?
Yeah,
Ghana
states.
Drake is from Canada.
No,
you
he's
know.
representing. He's still representing.
Like you say.
Okay, let me just say Drake for now.
Drake for
Okay,
now.
yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah,
All right.
fella. Anyway, guys, hey, we have to jump. We have to go, guys. Thank you so much for watching, man. Flazer, say something to the people one last time and then we go. Chief Ghost.
Chief Ghost is the name, like I told Batswana Gola Ping, and we outside, but we stay in this building, man. Follow me on Instagram, that is at Witness Amazing Things, and follow the station on social media platforms, that is at overview_radio. Please continue to subscribe and continue to make us the biggest platform and the biggest podcast in the country, man. We outside, like we told you, but we're still
In the motherfucking building.
signing out, man.
Yeah. Flazer.
It's your boy Flazer, the
Sign out,
motherfucking DJ, the only DJ who can fucking rap, aka Tshwanelang Let Classy. Shout out to the overviewers, man. You guys have been through thick and thin.
25K
with us.
subscribers now, eh?
Yeah, you know.
25,000.
Yeah, take care, we all follow.
Sorry.
Yeah, Flazer, ya gare le ho balwa.
Shout out to KJ the Barber. Shout out to Highly Defined. Shout out to everybody who's been supporting Overview Radio, man. We love you. Let me love and leave you with pop up. I love you, man.
To the overviewers,
We ride together and we
die
together.
and this is how we sign out, baby. With a
Kuleke.
Like to play. Paulo Chief Ghost.